everyone, Nadine Wilkins here, and I am so excited to connect with everyone today. And I wanted to have a very special conversation with everyone, and I think it is just so timely, and I believe that it is going to make a difference for everyone. So my topic for today is how to build relationships with people online. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm not going to hold anything back. Number one, hey, welcome. Number one, the first thing you want to do when you're building a relationship online with someone, whether it's for business or personal reasons, right, is number one, you want to connect with people who have the same common interests as you. So if you're into investing, if you're into building a business, if you're into a healthy lifestyle, like whatever it is, you want to connect with people that are interested in the same things that you're interested in, right? Like that's very basic and common, right? But it's true. And when you connect with these people, and I'm going to go into step number two, it is so important, number one, that you treat other people the way you want to be treated, right? That's number one. So you can't go into building a new relationship with the mindset of, well, what can I get from them? Or, you really have to come from a different mindset of, well, what solutions can I offer? What strategies can I bring to the marketplace? How can I contribute? How can I make a difference? Okay. So number one is you want to connect. Number two, you want to be authentic and you want to genuinely engage. Now I'm going to spend a little extra time here, because, I've experienced some things that I am going to call out, and some people are not going to be happy with me about it, but I think it needs to be said, right? So when you are engaging with people online, especially people you've just met, number one, I believe, and this is true for me, you are going to meet your greatest friends in life online, right? Like this is just what we're in. Hey, John, welcome. Hey, Martha, thank you for joining, right? You're going to meet amazing people online, right? So it's so important that when you engage with people online, that you come from a place of being genuine, a place of being authentic. You're not connecting with people and engaging with them from a mindset of, well, what can I get from them, right? Like you really have to be invested in building that relationship long term. And that relationship long term may end up being where you come together for a business. It may be that you support each other for a nonprofit, for a charity, but whatever it is, you want to treat other people the way you want to be treated. So you want to go in authentic. You want to go in genuine. You want to engage, right? Like you want to share, comment, like really be a part of that community that you're a part of, or even the person that you're connecting with, right? And just having that consistency. So that is so important. So number one, you want to connect. Number two, you want to build authentic, genuine engagement. Do not be the person who you send a friend request to, and literally in the same breath, you're sending a link to your company, right? Or you're, asking for something and you've built no rapport, you've built no trust. They have no idea who you are, right? Like you want to genuinely engage and build a relationship so that there can be trust, so that you can partner together long term and build an awesome relationship. It's just like if you meet someone in person, right? If you meet someone while you're shopping, you're not like, here you go. No, you're like, hey, you have this in common. I have this in common. Oh, that's cool. You have children. I have children. Oh, what are their ages? Like it's the same exact thing online. So you don't want to be that weirdo, right? Where you meet someone, you send that friend request, and the next thing you're doing is sending them a link for them to look at your business, to be a customer, all these other things. Build a relationship, like a genuine relationship. And I promise you, it's going to pay off because you're coming from a place of what can you offer, which leads me to step number three, okay? You want to be able to come from a place of serving other people. You want to come from a place of, well, what can you bring to the relationship that'll make a difference for that person or community? So step number three is, what solution can you offer to whatever problem that someone may have, or whatever problem that people in a certain community may have, right? So you want to come from a place of serving and providing value. You know, a really good book that I've read that has really talked about some of these principles and values of connecting with people, of building genuine, long-term committed relationships. Also, providing some type of solution or offer something, a solution to a problem, is a book by Dale Carnegie called How to Win Friends and Influence People. It's an awesome book because the influence, it comes from the relationships that you're able to build. And I'm telling you, you will meet some of the most amazing people online, and you will connect with people who may one day become best friends in your life right online. Yes, right online. And so the last thing I want to leave you with this is just give you like a real life example. You know, you guys know I love connecting live, and I have the opportunity to meet amazing people, right, that I've built a relationship with right online, to the point of, you know, whenever you're running a promotion, or whenever you're looking to expand your business, or you're looking to provide a new service, or whenever you're looking to solve a problem, there are people that are like, look, I want to be a part of it. Like, I want to make a difference. I want to contribute. It didn't start there. Where it started was with connecting, with building genuine relationships and actively being engaged with that person or community, but then consistently offering solutions to problems that people may have. See, sometimes you may think, oh man, well, what do I have to offer? And I promise you, there is something that you do that by you sharing it with somebody else, it will make a huge difference. Now, in your mind, you're like, oh, it's just this, right? But I'm telling you, there are people out there looking for answers to problems that they may have. They're looking for a solution. And by you just getting outside of your comfort zone and being okay with just sharing it, I promise you it will make a huge difference. So that is it for me this evening. I hope the information I've shared has made a difference for you. If you like the conversation, or you want to continue on with, man, how do I build friends online? Like, what's the first step? Like, what do I do? I'd be more than happy to have this conversation with you. You can inbox me, or you can drop a comment, and I'll be sure to follow up with you and connect. So I hope this information has been helpful. Have a super fantastic evening. Take care. God bless. And I look forward to connecting with you soon.